Hey guys, welcome back again, because I'm just doing some another random unboxing videos. So today we're going to be unboxing is a 990 Pro with the Heatsink. This one, don't worry, okay, I'm going to explain to you why. Before we start, I asked a family member if I wanted to borrow one, and then, yes, a family member just let me borrow it. He just got like 2 of them instead. Just ignore the background noise. Okay, so sorry for the background because I told my brother to let the audio be quiet. So let's unbox it. Let's remove one, and am I breaking the box right now? Is it just me, or am I deciding to break the box for no reason? Just ignore the box because does not want me to remove its tape, but I don't know. I'm supposed to remove its tape, I guess. So there's a Samsung one, and oh look, here it is. It's the newie, but also kind of cool SD. This is my. Oh, I dropped it all by accident. Accidents happen. Don't worry. It's still good condition. At least so good. So good though. Looks nice. It looks nicer and it looks better. See you guys. Still works. Still okay, I guess. And it's not when it's gonna focus, so I had to zoom out. Oh no. I'm gonna put it to a white side just in case. Cause give me. So let me just zoom out for a moment. There you guys can see the SD way better. See the SD? It's a Samsung one, and it's a 990 Pro. But I think I'm gonna keep it to its original box though. But I'm gonna tape is this box because it's kind of a little broken though. This one. Here's the manual. I'm not gonna break the manual because I don't want to. I'll never want to break the manual though. But anyways, I'll keep it to its original box though, because I'm not gonna like upgrade for this Dell computer because I'm not doing it. I'm gonna get a MacBook, or if I just get like a MacBook with like the soldered memory, or like the, the newer one, like the newer than like the 15-inch one. So I actually researched that the 5.1 Mac Pro can actually support like the 4090. It can actually support up to a 4th generation SSD. And why is this box being broken? Because I actually broke it. Yes, I did break the box, but because of the tape and stuff. But oh well. Tape's it's a bit broken, but we can fix it with tape. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, and then like, yeah, just please subscribe because I fall off for no reason, because my subscriber count. And also, please follow me on Twitter because I made a Twitter account like a few months ago, and I don't have that much followers, so please follow me. And bye.